Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to learn how to assign point loads. In some cases, our roof may carry point loads. For example, you have a monorail crane or some mechanical installation on the roof. Let's learn. Let's open a previous model. I am going to open portal frame model. So our model is loaded. To assign the roof loads, you need to click Loading tab and Point Load. First of all, you need to select the truss. In this model, we have one truss, so the truss is selected. Then you can see the points here. If you click these points, program will automatically indicate which points you are going to add loads. You can add loads at X direction and the gravity direction, and also you can add moment about Z direction. Let's add a gravity load. The unit is kilonewton. Then press Apply Change. You can see the arrows added here. As we give the values negative, so the load direction is opposite the gravity. I give the positive value now. Then click Apply Change button. And our loads are positive now. See you next lesson.